Jai Shri Gurudev. Welcome to physics online class. As we were solving problems, and let us continue with the problems. Write the problem. You can pause it and copy the problem. A point charge of 10 into 10 power minus 8 coulomb is at a distance of 1 meter from another point charge of 20 into 10 power minus 8 coulomb in air. Find the electric potential at a distance 0.2 meter from the weaker charge. So here first we have to read the problem, then we have to write the given data. So a point charge of 10 into 10 power minus 8 means we can take it as Q1 at a distance of, so distance is, we'll take it as R, which is 1 meter, from another point charge means Q2 is equal to 20 into 10 power minus 8 coulomb in air. Find the electric potential at a distance. Electric potential means V. We have to find out the electric potential. How much it is at a distance 0.2 from the weaker charge. Weaker charge means which is having the least value. So 10 or 20, it is 10 into 10 power minus 8 coulomb is the weaker charge. Weaker charge. Okay. Q2 is a bigger charge. So we have to find the electric potential at a distance 0.2 meter. So we have to choose the point from 10 into 10 power minus 8 coulomb at a distance 0.2 meter. Let us draw the diagram. Let the point A and B are at a distance 1 meter. This is Q1, this is Q2. The distance between them is 1 meter. Now, we have to choose a point P from the weaker charge, that is Q1, at a distance 0.2 meter. If this is 0.2 meter, and what is the distance between the point and Q2? It is 1 minus 0.2 meter. That is 0.8 meter, isn't it? So now we have to calculate the potential, and to find that X we have one formula, that is a resultant formula, that is V is equal to V1 plus V2, and we should know the formula for it. The electric potential, what is the formula? We have already derived it. 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by R. R is the distance between the point and the charge, isn't it? Now, here we'll take it as V is equal to V1. What is V1? 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. V1 is due to the charge Q1. That is Q1 by, what is the distance? 0.2 plus, what is the formula for V2? 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q2 divided by, what is the distance from Q2 to the point P? It is 0.8, isn't it? Now what we'll do is substitute the value for Q1 and Q2, and 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught is common. I'll take it outside. Q1 is 10 into 10 power minus 8 divided by 0.2 plus 20 into 10 power minus 8 divided by 0.8. So till here we have written the formula, we have substituted the value. Next step is the calculation and writing the answer along with the unit. Let me calculate it for you and you also try it for yourself. 1/4πε0, I take it as 9 into 10 power 9. 50 into 10 power minus 8 plus 20 by 0.8 is 25 into 10 power minus 8. 10 power minus 8 is common, so directly we can add 50 and 25. 50 plus 25 is 75. 75, let me write it. 75 into 10 power 9 into 10 power minus 8. Minus 8, if you subtract minus 8 from 9, you will get 10. 75 into 10 is 750 volt. Into 9. So let us calculate this. So finally we get V is equal to 6750 volts. So this is the final answer. What we have done is, first we have calculated the resultant potential, that is V1 plus V2. Substituting the values, we will get within the bracket 50 into 10 power minus 8 plus 25 into 10 power minus 8, that is 75 into 9 and plus 10 power plus 9 is there, minus 8 is there, we will get 10. Then 750 into 9, we get 6750 volts. So this is how you have to solve the problem. So in this problem, you need not to worry about choosing the point, because they have given in the problem itself, you have to choose the point from the beaker charge. If they have not given, then it is your wish, you can take the point in between the points A and B, that is you can call it as interior point, and you can also take outside the points A and B, and it is called as a exterior point. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರೇ ವೀಕರ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಇಂದ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ನಮಗೇನು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಚಿಂತೆ ಮಾಡುವಂಥದ್ದಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ Q1 ಏನಿದೆ ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ವೀಕರ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್. ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ನಾನು 0.2 ಮೀಟರ್ಗೆ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಹಾಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ P ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. ಅಕಸ್ಮಾತ್ ಅವ್ರು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ ವೀಕರ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದಾಗ ನೀವು ಯಾವ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದನಾದರೂ ನೀವು ತಗೊಳ್ಬೋದು ಅದನ್ನು, ಓಕೆನಾ? ಸೊ ಅದು ಹೇಗೆ ಅವ್ರು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾಡೋದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಸೊ ಅಗೇನ್ you copy this problem, you can pause it and copy the problem. Let me read the question. Two charges 3 into 10 power minus 8 coulomb and minus 2 into 10 power minus 8 coulomb are located 15 centimeter apart. At what points on the line joining the two charges is the electric potential 0? Take the potential at infinity be 0. ಸೊ ಇದು ನಮ್ಗೆ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ, ಇನ್ಫಿನಿಟಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಪೊಟೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಝೀರೋನೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಥಿಯರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಡಿರೈವೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಅದನ್ನು ನಾನು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಹೌದಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಗೂ ಏನು ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ ಪೊಟೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ನೇ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯೋಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು, ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು. ಬಟ್ ಇವಾಗ ಪೊಟೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಅದು ಬಿಟ್ಟರೆ ಇನ್ನು ಫುಲ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಏನೇನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಸೇಮ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಗಿವನ್ ದ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆಸ್ಕ್ಡ್ ಅಸ್ ಟು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ದ ಪೊಟೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್. ಹಿಯರ್ ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಗಿವನ್ ದ ಪೊಟೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆಸ್ಕ್ಡ್ ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ದ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಪೊಟೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ? ಪೊಟೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ 0 ಇದೆ, ಹೌದಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ ರಿಸಲ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಪೊಟೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ 0 ಆಗಬೇಕು ನಮಗೆ. ಆ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಪೊಟೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ 0 ಎಷ್ಟು ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಅವ್ರ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್. ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ರೈಟ್ ಡೌನ್ ದ ಗಿವನ್ ಡೇಟಾ. Q1 is +3 into 10⁻⁸ coulomb. Q2 is -2 into 10⁻⁸ coulomb are located at R is equal to 15 centimeter. You can convert from centimeter to meter, then you will get the answer in meter itself. If you will not convert, you will get the answer in centimeter, and later on at the final answer you can convert from centimeter to meter. ಸೊ ಈಗ ಅವರು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋ ತರ ರಿಸಲ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಪೊಟೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ 0 ಆಗಿದೆ. ಆ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ನಾವು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಮೆಥಡ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಒಂದು ಬಂದು ಆಸ್ ಎ ಸೆಡ್ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ A, B, Q1, Q2, and what is the distance between A and B? It is 15 centimeter. 15 centimeter. Then for the first case we'll find out the potential which is 0 from the charge Q1. ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ Q1 ಇಂದ ನಾನು ಚೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀನಿ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ B ನ and consider that distance as x. ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಟೈಪ್ ಮಾಡಿ ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು, ನೀಟಾಗಿ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಎ ಇಂದ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ Q1 ನಿಂದ ನಾನು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಚೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಐ ಆಮ್ ಚೂಸಿಂಗ್ ದ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ P where the electric potential is 0 at a distance x. Q1 ನಿಂದ P ಗೆ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? x ಇದೆ. ಅವಾಗ ಅದನ್ನ AP ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. BP ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಅವಾಗ BP ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ 15 - x ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ನೋಡಿ 15ರಲ್ಲಿ x ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಉಳ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೆಷ್ಟು? 15 - x, ಹೌದಲ್ವಾ? ಈಗ ಸೇಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ನಾವು ಅದೇ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಹಾಕೊಂಡು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ V is equal to V1 plus V2. ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನ ನೀವು ಬೇಕಿದ್ರೆ ಪೊಟೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ Q1 ಅಂತ ಹಾಕೋಬಹುದು. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಸೊ V ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ನಮಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದು ಗಿವನ್ ಡೇಟಾನಲ್ಲಿ 0 is equal to V1 ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಏನು? 1/4πε0 Q1/x. Q1 ಇಂದ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? x ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 1/4πε0 Q2 ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ Q2 ಇಂದ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ 15 - x ಇದೆ, ಹೌದಾ? 15 - x ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. 1/4πε0 is common here and its value is 9 into 10⁻9 into Q1. What is the value of Q1? 3 into 10⁻⁸ divided by what is the distance? x. What is the value of Q2? It is -2 into 10⁻⁸. I'll write the minus here because plus into minus ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 2 into 10⁻⁸ divided by 15 - x. Okay na? 0. So when this 9 into 10⁻9 goes to the left hand side, multiplied by or divided by 0, ಇದು 0 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ನನಗೆ ಉಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದೇನು? 3 into 10⁻⁸ divided by x is equal to 2 into 10⁻⁸ divided by 15 - x ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ನಾವು ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 3 into 10⁻⁸ 10⁻⁸ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 3 into 15 - x is equal to 2x. ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. 3 15s 45 minus 3x is equal to 2x. If this minus 3x goes to the right hand side, it is 5x. 5x is equal to 45. X is equal to 45 5 9s are 45. 9 centimeter. If you convert from centimeter to meter, we have 0.09 meter. So we got x as 0.09 meter, or you can simply say 9 centimeter from A. If you choose the point at a distance 9 centimeter, then the potential, resultant potential will be 0 between the charges Q1 and Q2. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ ಇದು Q1 ಇಂದ. ಸೊ ಇದೇ ತರ Q2 ಇಂದ ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾಡೋದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ನೋಡೋಣ. Potential from the charge Q2. So let us draw the diagram again. ಇಲ್ಲಿ exterior point ತಗೋತೀನಿ ನಾನು Q2 ಇಂದ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದಾಗ, this is Q1, Q2. The distance between A and B is 15 centimeter. Now I have to choose the point P from Q2 and I'll take this as P at a distance x. And what is the distance between Q1 and P? That is 15 plus x. See? So iದೇನಾಯ್ತು ನನಗೆ 15 plus x ಆಯ್ತು. ಇಂಟೀರಿಯರ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಮೈನಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ, ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟೀರಿಯರ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ, ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ. ಹೌದಲ್ವಾ? ಇದು ಒಂದೇ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸು. ಇನ್ನು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಏನು ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಇದೆ, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಸಿಮಿಲರ್ ಟು ದಿಸ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅವರು, b is equal to b1 plus b2, b is equal to 0, b1 is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q1 by 15 plus x minus, because q2 is minus, so I'll take it as, and let us substitute the value also. It is 3 into 10 power minus 8 and 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught, 2 into, I have written the minus here, minus 8 divided by, what is the distance? It is yes. Then take the minus negative part to the other side, then we'll have 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught, 3 into 10 power minus 8 divided by 15 plus x is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught, 2 into 10 power minus 8 divided by x. This gets cancelled. Next is the cross multiplication. What you have? 10 power minus 8 get cancelled. 3x is equal to 2 into 15 plus x. On cross multiplying, we have 3x is equal to 30 plus 2x. If this 2x comes to the left hand side, we have 3x minus 2x is equal to 30. 3x minus 2x is x is equal to 30 centimeter. If you convert from centimeter to meter, you have 0.3 meter. So the potential is 0 at a distance 9 centimeter from the charge Q1, and the potential is 0 at the distance 30 centimeter from the charge Q2. And we'll solve the similar problems or some other type of problems from this chapter in the next class. Thank you.